Click on the link below to get price. The Ridgid 64943 CS6x VERSA digital recording monitor system is a game-changer for professionals in plumbing and HVAC maintenance. With its advanced features and intuitive design, this system significantly enhances the inspection process, making it easier to diagnose issues in pipes and drains. One of the standout features of the CS6x VERSA is its large, high-resolution 10.4-inch display, which offers crystal-clear visuals of the inspection footage. The screen brightness is excellent, even in low-light areas, ensuring that details are easily discernible. The built-in recording capability allows users to capture footage in real time, providing an invaluable resource for reference and reporting. You can record both video and audio, making it a comprehensive tool for thorough inspections. Wi-Fi compatibility is another major advantage of this system. Being able to connect to a smartphone or tablet lets users share footage instantly with clients or colleagues. This feature facilitates better communication and provides customers with visual evidence of any problems, which can significantly enhance trust and transparency. The Ridgid CS6x VERSA is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its rugged design ensures durability, which is essential when working in challenging environments. The user-friendly interface simplifies navigation through menus and settings, making it accessible even for those who may not be tech-savvy. Furthermore, the battery life is impressive, allowing for extended use without the need for frequent recharging. This reliability is crucial when tackling large jobs that require thorough inspections over time. The various attachments included with the system enhance its versatility, enabling it to adapt to different inspection scenarios. In summary, the Ridgid 64943 CS6x VERSA digital recording monitor system is a robust, versatile tool that delivers top-notch performance. Its combination of high-quality imaging, seamless connectivity, and durability makes it an essential asset for any professional involved in pipe inspections. This system is undoubtedly worth the investment for anyone serious about their trade.